مروجا أورق الغيم مروجا 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 والتقى الورد مروجا 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 فتيات تتسامى للسماوات بروجا فتيات تتسامى للسماوات بروجا بروجا بروجا.
Okay, so me and Umama were waiting for the train.
We took coffee.
It smells good.
Wow, I burned myself twice.
Yeah, we're still waiting for the train. Should we wait here?
Oh. What did I do? Squishy pain chocolat.
It's nice.
It's the thought that counts.
Yeah. It's so good. It's so good.
I love it. It's the quality is so good.
Very hot. But I'm putting it everywhere.
Put it not. I don't see anything.
I see me.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Cause like you can turn.
Oh, that's okay.
Now you see me too. But, like if you want to see yourself vlogging, you just do this. Where is that? Where is it? Where is it? You can do it. Just do that.
Hello guys, I'm learning the beautiful world of vlogging.
الإرادات منار للنجاحات مسار العبادات رحاب للثقافات مدار يبتني ربة جيل لغد لاح بهيجا يبتني ربة جيل لغد لاح بهيجا 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 أوراق.
She is going to edit this vlog in 3 days. You can count on me.
Wait, it's
Your deadline is 23rd. 23rd, I want to see it
here.
Guys, today I'm in my non-makeup mode, so you didn't see me, right? This is just...
She's invisible.
I'm invisible.
Pas du tout. On vient. En fait, on veut faire une petite rando. Du coup, on vient pour la première.
Je sers le monsieur, je te sers.
Il y a pas de souci. Ok.
She's gonna explain to us.
أسألك بالي خالقك منك تروح على نجوم بالسماء والجبال شوفتك نور عيني وأنا فيك
I think you
Des champignons. There's
don't touch them, they can be poisonous. Yeah, there are poisonous.
they're cute.
Actually, you should go on a walking tour with like professionals. They don't let you touch anything.
I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just looking at it.
Okay. Guys, protect your nature from this person.
Why? I did nothing. I just wanted to just touch mushrooms. Mushrooms are cute. Little mushroom. Hello. I want to eat it.
Oh my god.
No, yeah, but not all of them. They look nice.
You
They
know
look-
what poisonous mushrooms look like?
You're good? Yeah. Oh. You should teach me.
Or
Oh.
yeah,
Shit.
you can't do that.
Okay, one foot.
I want you to try this because nobody can do this.
Oh, okay.
She can probably do it better than me, guys.
No,
I
never
know.
Tried it. I know, like I'm very not.
I'm also sore. Put it here. Up.
More?
Yeah. And now sit on it. That's good.
No.
You are good. Just sit on it. Good, 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 good. Full extra. Oh, sure, good. Yeah.
Really?
Not really.
Not really.
I was
Exactly.
trying to make you happy. Hee.
It was hard. I wasn't expecting it to be that hard. I
It's
think I'm just not flexible. Cause I feel stuck when I can't go further than that.
Oh, maybe we can do yoga together.
Go ahead. Now it's impressive because I tried to do it and I was like, I couldn't do it.
Yeah, this leg is better than that one. But this one you can do very easily.
That one, yeah, I think I did it, right?
Yeah.
Do it again, just to compare.
We're living in an iceberg movie. Hola.
Well, okay, I'm gonna take this with me.
Oh my god.
Mama is gonna show us something. Please listen. You need to listen. Thank you.
The woody ones are the female cones,
Yeah.
and these are the male cones. They're useless. They spread off their seeds to them, so they're the first to fall off, and their whole point is to just impregnate the female.
Okay. Ah, you look at this one.
Oh, that's so cute! I love it! Cute. I think this is the cutest thing I've seen in my life.
All of them are brown or like this clear. Oh, this one is like the only
I like
one.
how you chose 3 different colors. That's
Yeah.
so nice. You have a full fall palette.
Yeah, you should take pictures.
Yeah, I just remembered.
For the Noure guys, if you know, you know. Go check her Instagram.
Oh my god, I was going to sit there, but look at that bug. Look.
Bug.
That's why.
He's so pretty. Hello. Bro, we see the whole forest. Okay, go. Sure.
Wow. Now you can't move me for a while.
Okay, let's sit there.
Yalla.
Yeah. Wow. The shape is really weird.
See, it used to be here.
It's like a cushion, but it's a rock. Looks so weird.
Did you find another one?
Yeah. Hello. Are you recording? All the boxes.
Guys, look who saved us, because Umama Malik just showed up without anything. So thank you.
You're welcome.
Inshallah. Alhamdulillah for tea, because I just brought this. This was my very humble contribution.
It's already good.
You're so nice. Oh my god.
You eat the eggs. It's raining.
Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Another rock, guys.
Nice.
Come here, my princess. Let's go.
The princess in Scotland.
Okay, let me go first.
I am a Disney princess. I
世界の淵で銀河に耳を澄ませてそよ風来る節に光る
I think Umhanisha would have loved to come here. Place is nice.
And thank you for feeding us once again.
I'm the queen of the wood, guys. So follow me.
Thinhinane.
I know.
La reine.
this. Oh. Repeat. Say more.
Let's go.
Ah.
Look at this creature that I have found in ghetto.
It's like you're talking about Pokemon. I found this creature.
It's like a documentary. This animal,
Hey yo, that's disrespectful.
humans are social animals. What are you talking
Yeah.
about? She's a cutie.
Actually, you saying it is okay, but like if a white person say it, I would be so mad. I would kick his.
The power of racism towards your own race.
Yeah, I know.
Similar race.
Yeah, we're the same shit. Same shit. You're African. I'm African. You're Asian.
Don't call me African.
What do you mean?
I'm Asian.
So,
Same thing.
bro, you came from Africa. Everybody came from Africa first.
No.
Yes, it's like all human species came, like all the humans came from Africa first, and then they went everywhere else. Yeah. Go look for that affirmations, please. Affirmation. please.
Affirmation.
Affirmation. Yeah. We are from the motherland, which is called Africa. You didn't know that?
Guys, all the food that I ate came from this bag. I don't know, I'm really enjoying up closing zooming.
I think you should be my vlogger.
I love this. Guys, this is how I help her vlog. I record funny angles. And I feel like, I think what happens is, I don't even eat.
I need another coffee.
If I do, I will be like...
Second round. Kiwis and apples.